What if your TradingView alerts could automatically execute trades on NinjaTrader? Watch this, you're missing profitable trades while you're away from your desk. Manually copying signals from TradingView to NinjaTrader is slow and error-prone. By the time you place the order, the opportunity's gone. What if you could automate this entire process? XAutoTrade connects them automatically. Your TradingView alert fires, XAutoTrade routes it, NinjaTrader executes instantly. Here's how to set it up in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Import the add-on zip file. In NinjaTrader, go to Tools. Import the downloaded zip file. Step 2. Create your webhook on XAutoTrade. Log into XAutoTrade.com. Navigate to your dashboard. Create a new webhook. This generates your unique URL that receives TradingView signals securely. Step 3. Set up your TradingView strategy from XAutoTrade. Download the TradingView strategy template from TradingView as linked below the video. Import it into your TradingView workspace and apply it to your chart. Then follow the steps to set up your strategy. It will generate the TradingView alert payload. Step 4. Set up TradingView alert with XAutoTrade webhook. Create an alert in TradingView. Paste your XAutoTrade webhook URL. Configure the message format. When your indicator or strategy triggers, boom, signal goes straight to NinjaTrader. XAutoTrade add-on has powerful per-account risk management with visualization for positions and order executions. Set max profit, max loss, and max drawdown protection to safeguard your account automatically. TradingView signals route to the XAutoTrade Alerts tab, showing instrument, buy or sell action, and signal flight time in milliseconds. Watch real-time order execution after a signal alert is received.
Order filled.
Get instant notifications through Telegram in real time. Stop missing trades. Start automating with XAutoTrade. Free trial at XAutoTrade.com. Link in description. Start trading smarter today.